The water in this bottle costs less than a cent. You paid dollars for it. Not because you were thirsty, not because it was better, but because you trusted a logo. And that logo belongs to Coca-Cola. This isn't about water, it's about how easily perception beats reality. Coca-Cola sells water. Not rare water. Not premium water. Not water from some hidden glacier. Just water. And they sell it for up to 100 times what it actually costs. People don't just buy it, they defend it. When customers defend the price, the business has already won. Ask yourself this: why would anyone pay for bottled water when clean water already exists? The answer isn't quality, it isn't health, it isn't taste, it's branding. Coca-Cola didn't sell water. They sold certainty. The liquid is almost free. The plastic costs more than the water. Transport costs more than the source. Marketing costs more than everything combined. So what are you actually buying? Trust, convenience, habit, status. The product is cheap. The shortcut is expensive. Coca-Cola didn't need to convince anyone. They borrowed belief, decades of advertising, global familiarity, emotional safety. When their name appeared on water, people didn't analyze it. They assumed safe, clean, better. Brand trust moves faster than logic ever will. Here's where it gets uncomfortable. If Coca-Cola removed its logo tomorrow, this water would be worthless. Same liquid, same bottle, different price. Value didn't change, meaning did. Higher price signals higher quality, even when it's false. Cheap water feels suspicious. Expensive water feels justified. It must be purified. It must be healthier. It must be better. Price doesn't reflect cost. It reflects confidence. Most people don't choose bottled water. They accept it. Airports, gyms, concerts, gas stations. When you're thirsty, you don't compare brands. You comply. Coca-Cola didn't win by persuasion. They won by timing. Water used to be invisible. Then companies made it symbolic, pure, natural, essential. None of these words change the water, but they change how it feels. If you can't change the product, change the story. Here's what most competitors missed. Coca-Cola already owned distribution, shelves, fridges, vendors, logistics. Water wasn't a risk, it was an extension. Most startups chase distribution. Coca-Cola was distribution. Water looks cheap. It isn't. When cost is near zero and perceived value is high, the gap becomes profit. The biggest businesses aren't built on innovation. They're built on arbitrage. Here's the part no one talks about. Once a habit is formed, price stops mattering. You don't evaluate, you don't compare, you repeat. That's when brands become invisible and unstoppable. At that point, you're no longer buying water, you're following a routine. Here's another uncomfortable truth. If Coca-Cola raised prices tomorrow, most people wouldn't stop buying. They'd complain. They'd joke about it. And then they'd keep paying. Because convenience beats outrage, and habit beats logic. This isn't about Coca-Cola. It's about you. Every time you pay more to avoid thinking, the same system wins. Thinking is friction. Brands remove friction. Founders think winning means better features, lower prices, more education. Coca-Cola did the opposite. They simplified choice, raised perception, removed thinking. If customers must think, you've already lost. Coca-Cola didn't trick people. They understood them. They built a world where paying more felt normal, and people walked into it willingly. The most powerful brands don't convince, they normalize. Coca-Cola didn't sell water for 100 times the price. They sold trust, convenience, familiarity, identity. The water was irrelevant. If you want to understand how businesses really make money, not what textbooks teach, subscribe now.